Hi, I'm Dalitso Mashata Mbewe. I'm the founder and CEO of Padue, an on-demand roadside assistance application based in Lusaka, Zambia. We recently joined FasterCapital's equity program as we're trying to raise capital to expand Padue in Lusaka, Zambia, and eventually Africa. The experience so far has been highly valuable as the team has shared constructive, in-depth feedback that has helped us identify the key areas, weaknesses, and gaps in our pitch material. The reports they've shared were helpful in framing our startup from an investor's perspective and highlight areas that require stronger clarity. The recommendations helped in refining our business strategy and better articulate our path to profitability and expansion across Africa. With FasterCapital's guidance, we're now able to approach investors with more confidence and a clearer investing narrative.